Hello, children. I am number 9.
I am big and fine. Let's learn about me. Hello, let's count my friends.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes, there are 9 puppies. Good job, children. Today we learned number 9. Let's say it together. 9. Say number 9 with me, children. Excellent, children. Keep learning.
Hello, friends. Look at me. I am letter D. I am 4th letter in alphabet. Let's meet my friends. Hi, I am a doll. Children love to play with me. I start with D. Hello, I am a dot. I am very small. I help in drawing. I start with letter D. Woof, woof. I am a dog. I guard the house. I start with letter D. Quack, quack. I am a duck. I love to swim. I start with letter D.
Very good, children. Today we learned letter D. D for doll, we play with it. D for dog, it keeps us safe. D for dot, it is very tiny. D for duck, it swims in water. All these words start with D. You did a great job, children.
Hello, friends. Let's go on a road trip. Today we will learn road transport.
Hello, I am a car. I run on the road. I take families to school and market. Hi, I am a van. I carry bags and boxes. I help deliver things. Hey, I am a bike. I am fast and small. I take 1 or 2 people.
Hello, children. I am a big bus. I carry many people together. Very good, children. Car, van, bus and bike all run on the road. So they are called road transport. Children, road transport helps us every day. Cars take us to school and trips. Vans delivers food and toys to shops. Buses take many people to offices and cities. Bikes help us go quickly to nearby places. These vehicles make our life easy. We use them to travel safely. Excellent, children.
Hello, friends. Welcome back. Today, we will trace pattern U. Look at this shape. It looks like a U. Down, curve, up. That makes a U.
Let's trace this pattern. Very good, children. Now let's trace all the pattern U on this page. Follow the dotted line. Yes, you are tracing so nicely. This is pattern U. Practice every day.
Hello, kids. Can you hear that sound? Look, a big train is coming. Let's learn about the train.
I run on railway tracks. I carry many people. I take you far and near, on long journeys.
I am very long. I have many coaches. I also carry food and goods. I am very useful.
Children, this is a train. It is rail transport. It moves on tracks. It helps us travel to cities and villages. Very good, children. Today we learned about trains. It moves fast.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock.
Hello, friends. Today, we will learn about feelings. Sometimes I feel happy. Sometimes I feel sad. Let us see the pictures. Hi, I am happy. I am smiling. I got a new toy. That makes me happy. I feel joyful. Hello. I am sad. My toy is broken. That makes me sad. I am not smiling. I want to feel
Children,
better.
listen carefully. When we get gifts, we feel happy. When we lose something, we feel sad. This is normal. Everyone feels this. Children, listen carefully. If your friend is sad, help and share. Play together. Make them smile. Very good, children. Hello.
Hello, friends. I am letter U. I come after letter T in the alphabet. Let's learn my words.
Hi, I am an umbrella. I protect you from rain. I keep you dry.
Hi, I am Uncle. I am a man. I love my family.
Hello, I am an urn. I am a strong pot. I keep things safe.
Hello, I am up. I show the top side. I go higher and higher.
Hello, children. Today we learned letter U. Umbrella saves us from rain. Urn is used to keep things. Uncle is a family member. Up means going high. Good job, children. Say with me letter U. Yes.
Hello, children. I am the captain. I drive ships and boats on water. Come, let me show you.
I am a big ship. I travel on the deep sea. I carry many people and heavy goods. I help us go to faraway places.
I am a submarine. I go under the water. I travel very deep in the sea.
I am a small boat. I move on rivers and lakes. I help fishermen and travelers. I take people safely on water.
Very good, children. Today we learned about water transport. A ship is big and goes on the sea. A boat is small and moves on rivers. Very good, children. A submarine travels under the water. A captain controls all these water transports.
Welcome to the story, The Fox.
And the Foolish Crow.
Once a crow stole a piece of bread from a vendor. It wanted to eat it, so it flew away to a tree nearby. It was about to eat it. Then a hungry fox passing by saw it. He decided to have the piece of bread. "Oh, my dear crow," he said to the crow, "how beautiful you are. Your feathers are really shiny. Surely your voice must also be very sweet. Please sing a song for me." The foolish crow opened its mouth to sing. The piece of bread fell down. At once, the clever fox picked it up and ran away with it.
Moral of the story: do not fool others.
Otherwise you will be fooled.